everything okay?
Hey, Molly, I need your help. I am so not prepared for the holidays coming up.
Take a deep breath. We will get through this together with coffee.
Oh, that's good.
It's my homestyle coconut creamer poured over craft ice. You have a menu in mind?
I wanted to feel like the holidays I had growing up in New Mexico, so I was thinking chicken enchilada bite, but that's as far as I've gone.
I know exactly who can help.
Hey, Jesse.
Tabitha!
Here's an extra hatch chili for your enchilada bites.
Fantastic. Okay, this is coming together.
Put this on in here. Hey, Molly, I'll take an onion if you got an extra one. Thank you, girl. I got this amazing jackfruit taco recipe and crispy plantain chips with air fry in my LG range.
I still need to figure out drinks, though.
Tipsy, you there?
I know just the cocktail.
Tipsy!
Yes, sir.
I'll get mixing while you guys get cooking. We may need some extra glasses though.
We got a dishwasher full of them right here.
Martini glasses work?
Too small for this beautiful craft ice.
That is some of the prettiest ice I've ever seen.
We used to have to make this by hand.
The steam cleaning on this dishwasher is next level. How about this?
That's just right.
Ooh, chips are almost done. How you doing over there, Jesse?
Tortillas are crisping up nicely.
Take one and pass them down.
Pass it down the line.
Molly, this for you.
Jesse?
This one's for me.
Let's make an apple cider margarita.
Yes.
Tequila, orange liqueur, apple cider. Shake it like you mean it.
Shake it up, baby. Ooh, that apple slice.
Fruit salad in a cup.
The apple cider margarita.
This calls for a little toast.
Tipsy, you want to do the honors?
I can start us off, but you guys are gonna have to help me out. Cheers to the things that bring friends together.
Wherever we may be.
When we need each other the most.
And to the holidays. They're stressful, but they sure are magical.
Just like dishwashers that do all the cleanup.
Cheers! Cooking with your crew is always fun.
But we're not done yet.
LG is working with Meals on Wheels to make sure dinner tables across the country get the home-style meals by feeding 5,000 seniors this season.